Hello, let's make beef broccoli marination. Day 30th of my life. Please watch.
Alam mo ba, na-realize ko habang nagmamarinate ako ng beef, naisip ko parang marriage pala ang pagluluto. Kasi bago maging masarap ang beef, kailangan muna natin itong i-marinate. Hindi pwedeng diretso agad sa kawali. Ang marriage is pareho lamang. Hindi naman natin agad-agad makikilala ng buo ang isang tao. Kahit mag-asawa na kayo, marami pa kayong matututunan sa isa't isa. Habits, personality, preferences, strength, and even those little things na minsan nakakainis. Ito na nga, marinating the beef. Look at this beef. Kailangan niya ng time para ma-absorb ang flavor at mga ingredients nito. And that's exactly what happens in marriage. The longer you spend time together, the more you understand each other. You learn when your partner needs space, when they need encouragement, and when they're hungry. Important yan. And when they simply need a hug or intimacy moment. Alam mo na, tsakan, char. Marriage isn't about being perfect. It's about learning each other's language. So, that is marinating the beef. Okay. Delicioso. Now, it's time to cook. Here's another lesson. Kahit na marinate na ang beef, kailangan pa rin itong lutuin properly. Because preparation alone isn't enough. Or maybe putting baking soda before cooking it is not enough. Because preparation, as I said, preparation alone isn't enough. Just like marriage, love isn't only about saying, I love you, or meaning like words only. That's not enough. Love or partnership is also in the everyday actions. Cooking for each other, checking if your partner has eaten, listening after a long day, being patient when you're both tired, and sometimes learning to say, okay, you're right, I agree. Even when your ego is screaming, absolutely not. Now, let's mix and add the broccoli. So the beef and broccoli are different, right? But somehow they work beautifully together. So that's marriage too, mixing beef and broccoli. You don't have to be exactly the same. You can have different personalities, opinions, interests, and even different ways of doing things. What matters is learning how to work together without losing who you are. So that's all for today. Bon appetit!